Every local SEO guide tells you to optimize Google My Business listing, get in reviews, build in citations, and whatnot, and that takes forever to build. In today's video, I'll be telling you a shortcut method wherein exactly you can do all of these things really fast for your Google My Business profile, for your local business, for your local SEO, and that will not cost you a lot of money, but just right way and the right path. With doing this method, using this technique, you will be able to rank for your local terms very easily, better than and faster than your competitors, because they are doing the things in the traditional way, but you will be doing it in a smart way wherein SEO is changing super fast. You also need to adapt to these changes. If you are a business owner managing your Google My Business profiles, managing local SEO, you need to be fast and you need to apply new tactics that are working in 2026. In today's video, I'll be telling you how do you exactly build up a strong and powerful local SEO strategy that works in 2026, helps you get good business, and not just business but actually rank very well for your targeted keywords in your local region with using local SEO. So guys, in today's video, we will be talking about how you can use age domains to make your local SEO journey simple and faster without spending in a lot of money and without waiting too much for all these things. So let's get started, guys. So let me first tell you, why do you need an age domain to actually skyrocket your local SEO journey? So see guys, in most cases, whenever it comes to doing local SEO, most SEO people will tell you that you need to optimize your profile, update in content in the profile, get in links, build in citations. That's the only way that you can rank. And maybe some black hat people will tell you to do some CTR manipulation, but that's not recommended at all. But rather, the actual way of getting in more business using local SEO is actually having your own functional website wherein you're ranking for terms, and that website is very well integrated into your Google Business profile. And when we talk about building a website, I'm not talking about like buying a fresh domain and starting things out, because that will take forever to rank. Wherein the shortcut method is you buy an age domains. And where do you buy an age domain? The best place to buy the age domain is usually mostdomain.com. Yes guys, our sponsor for this video, age domains. This video is made in with collaboration with Most Domains, where they are helping you and me out find good and premium age domains without spending thousands of dollars on these domains. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use age domains to build strong local authority for your local SEO and skyrocket your business using Google My Business profiles and local SEO. So as I've already I'll take you to the computer screen and I'll tell you why that you need to have an age domains. Because see, firstly, if you are starting out with a fresh website, it will take forever to build domain authority, build trust, build in enough signals for Google to trust your website. Wherein if you get an age domains, the sandbox period is passed, the domain have good links, and not just that, the domain is ready to be ranked if you work it in the right way, if you build topical authority on that domain. Because building topical authority is not very hard in 2026, because you can use AI assisted content with the help of human, of course, on these age domains, and they will help you rank really fast. So in today's video, I'll be telling you how do you do that, and not just that, the domains that we get usually can have links from already existing citations like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Google My Business profiles and whatnot. So let's get started. So let's first have a look at Most Domains website. So there is a link in my video description. Don't forget to check out that link and use my coupon code, which is displaying right here and will be also mentioned in my video comment section. So using that coupon code, you can get up to $50 off on your first purchase or like your more purchases on Most Domain. So when you do that, you simply land up to the home page. You can simply go to domain inventory, and you can filter your requirements, like what niche you are into. You can filter that. Like let's suppose if you are into some services niche, right? Or maybe let's suppose if you are into restaurant niche, let's take that in for example. You just select in that category, and then you may sort with the price high to low, DR high to low. So in this case, let's take it DR. Honestly, DR is just a random factor wherein I'm hoping that DR can be manipulated, but just for reference, I'm showing you. So you see this domain. This is DR16 for $300. It's a restaurant domain. Already it's an existing maybe some brand name. But what you can actually do, it was a Japanese restaurant, and the domain age is 3 months. So let's not use this one. Let's use something other which has stronger domain age. Let's suppose this one, for example. This has a domain age of less than 1 year. Let's consider something more relevant. You can simply scroll in and check whether you are liking the domain or not. Like, let's take an example for this one. This is an English restaurant domain. Domain age is around 8 years. Domain is Google indexed, so that's a good part. And then when you simply come in, the spam score is also low. You see these links coming from yellow pages. As I mentioned, you can already find domains with existing citations, so you don't have to do a lot of basic stuff. You can also filter in only do follow links, and you see domains, referring domains coming from high quality domains and websites. You see there is no such manipulation, and the price is only $500. So what do? You simply add to cart, use my coupon code, get this domain for $450. And most domains makes the domain transfer really fast. Like, you get the transfers within 24 hours. So that's also really good. So now that you have the domain, what do you do next? So the next process is like pretty simple. You get the domain, you host domain on your preferred CMS. Can be WordPress, can be anything else. Once you have done that, you can start doing some basic stuff, like install WordPress, install all the required plugins, like a plugin for SEO, some basic designing plugins, design the website according to your business feel and stuff, and then start optimizing the homepage content according to your service, city, area, whatever you are serving at. And not just that, you can also build in properly topical authority content for let's suppose if you are having something service related around restaurant, you can make sure that you start posting everything around the restaurant industry, not just build in 5 pages and forget that okay, domain will rank. You need to build content that matches your domain originally, right? So this keeps the backlinks contextually relevant. So make sure to put in enough local content, neighbored guides, and local service comparison, community event coverage, and with all these things, internal linking from wherever the links are coming from. And then you just track those results for 30 to 60 days, internal link, optimize, repeat and rinse, keep adding more content, building in more topical authority, because you already have links coming in, you already have domain age. You just need to build content relevance. And if you do this for good 2 to 3 months, I am very sure you would be ranking for all your targeted keywords, build in some links, build in some more citations, do all the additional stuff along with an age domains, not just with the fresh domains, because this will save you a lot of time and money. So if you do that, I am sure your local SEO journey will be far more easier than what you actually thought, or what it would be if you start out with a fresh domain. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found the video informative and knowledgeable. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you guys in the next video. If you want the video on a specific topic or you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be helping you with that. And this video, as I told you, was made in collaboration with Mostdomain. We are making an entire series of 6 videos. All the videos will be linked right here. Don't forget to check out Mostdomain and use my coupon code to buy your first age domain and start skyrocketing your SEO journey. Thank you for watching this video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.